So there you have it, guys. We ended up finishing up the garage lights. Well, I wouldn't necessarily say finishing up, but at least as many as I'm gonna buy. I ended up buying some new LED light fixtures. These are pretty cool. They're actually very thin. They clip on to the ceiling, to your sheetrock. As you guys can see, I do not have any sheetrock. So if I end up putting them in, I'm probably just gonna get like some plywood and put it in like that. My son actually just wired this slide in. He said it was pretty easy. So I think I'm gonna let him wire the rest of them in, or at least these ones. These are pretty cool. There's some of the stuff on it. What I like about these is there. You only spend $1.45 per year. Sounds too good to be true. I wonder if it's true. Then here's the other light fixtures, like this one and the rest of them. That one says $361 per year. Even that sounds too good to be true. But like I said, when I end up putting these up, I will probably just put plywood, use the template, cut it out, and then put them in. But as you guys can see, the garage is very lit up now, except for this little area right here. So that'll probably be one of the areas that gets one. This area is pretty dark, but we put this one in last week. This one right here. Now, you know, it's pretty lit up. It's nice. So there it is. I'll probably end up putting this video up soon.